This just happened last night. The biggest pandemic move that Canada has just declared. So hold on to your hats and prepare for takeoff. Welcome back, awesome people, and Happy New Year! I am doing a quick recap of 2020 and sharing with you the biggest pandemic news that Canada just announced last night. So get bullish on that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and smash all the likes, bells, and whistles to help the channel to grow and to get all my updates on these fantastic investments, and comment below with what you think because I do reply to every comment. So, Canada. My Canadian friends have been going through a wild ride with lockdowns and restrictions the past couple of weeks, and now it gets even worse. So many people, whether they are Canadian or not, are reluctant to get the Roni test, let alone the vaccine. And last night, Canada has officially announced that any and all, let me repeat that again, any and all, so not location specific, but any and all flights coming into Canada will require their passengers to show proof of a negative Roni test. So let me repeat that as simply as possible. Anybody, people flying into Canada will need to provide proof of a negative Roni test before stepping on any flight heading to Canada. Crazy, right? Canada's Intergovernmental Affairs Minister, Dominic LeBlanc, didn't say when the requirement will be in place, but the test will need to be taken 3 days before boarding the plane. But from whispers through the wall, this new rule will be kicking in the first few weeks into 2021. The Canadian government's decision to make this move was to provide an extra layer of protection from this illness because it discourages non-essential international travel, which makes total sense. But this move was really made because of all the criticism that Canada's travel restrictions and quarantine rules have been too soft and lax. So they went full speed and implemented this rule, and this move piggybacks on Canada's recent ban on incoming flights from the UK due to the new strain of the Roni. Now, this is big news for Canadian investors and Canadian stocks because as people are beginning to have faith in going back to some normalcy, this move will really deter international traveling, as many would not want to be stuck in a different country because they tested positive 3 days before their flight. And looking at the ripple effect, when international travel is deterred, it starts negatively impacting the logistics of all sectors. And when logistics is all messed up, it is reflected in company metrics and company share prices. So not to be a fortune teller here, but there will be a lot of red coming up for Canadian stocks and companies that require Canadian logistics. So for those holding airline stocks, especially Canadian airline stocks, I hope you make a good decision with this news that I just gave you. And for those looking to get into airlines at an even further discount, the time will be approaching very soon. But for me, I will not be looking at the airline sector anytime soon, as they will have a wild and rocky road ahead of them, regardless of the vaccine. So be careful with that sector. And looking back, when reflecting, I see that you need to smash that subscribe button and snap that like button. When reflecting, for real this time, when reflecting, overall, 2020 was a great year for the market. The S&P 500 surged almost 65% since its March low and finishing this year up nearly up 14%. The massive tension, which is still going on today about the outcome of the presidential election and the makeup of Congress, caused much market volatility. And the generous Federal Reserve printing out trillions and trillions of dollars and slashing interest rates to near zero to keep the economy afloat. But who knows what happens in 2021, if we will have these government assistances and benefits around to continue keeping the economy afloat. Because if we don't, we will see an event bigger than the Great Depression. So these were just 3 of the highlights of an eventful year. And moving forward, it will even be more eventful as we will be able to see how badly affected our economy and market really is from 2020's damage. And the damage will be great. And that will lead us to another set of crashes, and not just the market or economy. So if you want more details about the 3 upcoming crashes, check out the video I posted yesterday, and subscribe and like to stay notified of when I will post. No matter what crash happens in 2021, there will be a crash. If you are a long-term investor, you should not have any worries, as it will rise back up as we witnessed from 2020's March crash. But if you are a short-term or swing trader, be very, very careful, as volatility will be heavy, as daily news will fluctuate the markets. And to help you out, if you want free money to trade with and $0 commission fees, sign up with my Wealth Simple Trade link down in the description box for $25 of free real money. And don't like Wealth Simple Trade? Well, maybe Questrade is more your style. You can also sign up with my Questrade QPASS key code for free money as well. You will get $25 once you sign up with my QPASS key code and start trading within minutes. Both links are in the description box below. So again, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and consult your own financial professional. Thanks. There is so much wealth out there for all of us to get a piece of. So by allowing our hard-earned money make us more money is the key to wealth and the key to financial success. So subscribe, like, and share to help out this channel, and so you will get notified of when I go on YouTube Live or of my recent posts, as I will be posting my penny stocks, REITs, dividend, and speculative stocks from my portfolio, and investments that I am currently buying and selling. And if you haven't yet, check out my previous videos where I discuss the Great Reset and swing trading and other thought-provoking videos that will tingle your mind. I want everyone to have the opportunity to get out of this work-life trap by buying back their freedom through investing. Happy New Year! Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel in 2020 and watching my videos and showing me so much love. I promise to give you more content in 2021. I wish everyone an amazing 2021 filled with health, love, and success. So until next year, and the next video, stay ranting.